What if cell phones started exploding?
No ways! My cell phone is the best!
Oh, Firstly, delivery guys may get completely lost.
But why would I get lost?
Simple. Delivery guys nowadays rely a lot on maps for navigation. If cell phones started they may lose their way completely. Secondly, we may start seeing wires all along the roads.
Wires?
If cell phones started cell phones.
Hello, pizza. I'd like to order.
Lastly, people have a lot of free time on their hands. Simple. People use cell phones for a number of things, like playing games, instant messaging, reading news, and so on. If cell phones started exploding,
Get the fuck out of my room and play Minecraft!
they may have a lot of free time.
To buy Aumsum merchandise, visit Aumsum.